Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a super cool website that will help you make some passive income. You don't have to do anything at all. It's super easy, trust me on that. You see my cat here? Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so you want to go to a website called fatllama.com. It's a pretty cool name. Just reading that name, I love it. So anyways, it's a website that is for rentals. Have you ever had to just, buy an item that you just needed for the day, really? And once you used it, it's sitting in your basement or in your garage and you never use it ever again just because you couldn't rent it? So you had to go buy it. And very often, a lot of people do, I know a lot of people do return their items, but very often we just buy and think, oh, we might need it again, so I might as well just keep it. So there you go. I have a ton of examples, such as this one in my personal life where we just needed to rent an item really, but we couldn't find a rental for that item, so we ended up buying it just for a one-time use, and then we just have it now, and it's never been used for years. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. So this website is going to help you to rent your unused items, whatever you have in your house that you no longer use. You can put that to work. So it's completely passive. It's a passive income. It's a great side hustle for people who don't want to work hard because you don't have to do anything. So let's have a look. Let's say you have some bikes. I have bikes around my house that are not being used. Okay, so here you go. Bikes. You can rent your bike. I mean, this is in Ottawa, obviously. $100 a day for a mountain bike. It's probably a good one for the price. But here it is, $100 a day. You set your price. So this is you choosing your price. Here you have even indoor bikes, $30 a day. And that person's got a few, Zag. So this is for a bike. We can look for something else. Let's think of, drones. You want a drone because you're going in a hike or you're going in a road trip or anything like that, and you want to take cool photos, but you don't want to buy a drone. It's so expensive, right? How about renting one for the day? See, in Ottawa again, $34 for the day for a drone with a controller and everything. This is a great way of just making money with items you have around your house that you don't use. You would be surprised what you can rent. I even found crockpots. I mean, a crockpot. Here you go. You can rent your unused crockpot that you have in your kitchen that you never use. $15 a day. I mean, that's great money. Think of anything. I don't know. Let's say, let's think of a laptop. Maybe, yeah, there you go. A laptop. You need to use a laptop. You don't have one. It just broke and you have an assignment to finish. What are you going to do? How about you go rent one? You know? I mean, it's not like you have internet cafes around anymore. So you go rent one for $10 a day. That's a good idea. So here how it works. So we're gonna go back to the main page of our website, Fat Llama. I think this is a great side to hustle. Seriously, you have anything. Look at the categories: sewing machine, vehicles, electric scooters. I'm pretty sure that's cheaper than what you can rent in the city. That's so expensive. It's like $20 an hour. Let's see how much it is for an electric scooter here. Electric scooters. Well, I think that's in the UK. Looking at the price in pounds, but I mean, it does work in the UK as well. It works in the US, Canada, and the UK from what I can see. So here here is how it's gonna work. When you go to the main page, you'll go to share your stuff and earn cash. So that's how it's gonna work. You'll go here. So you will literally take some photos of whatever you want to rent out. Anything you can think of around your house. You never know, that can make you money. You just add a bio to your profile, what that's regular. Any website, you have to do that, and you just respond to the messages. I mean, pretty classic. This is how it's gonna work. You just arrange the time and day to hand over your item. Once you give your item, you're gonna make sure you take photos because you want to know, like we all want, I mean, the website as well wants to know if your item is gonna come back in the same state, because I'll tell you about another thing. Your item is gonna be covered from the website Fat Llama. So once you take photos and you send it over to websites, then 24 hours later after you rented your item, you will get paid by Fat Llama. So that's how it works. And here about the warranty that I was telling you. So you get your items covered up to 48,000 Canadian dollars, 30,000 US dollars, or 25,000 pounds. So that's pretty cool, because even if anything happened to your item, well, you can get your money back. So I thought that was a pretty good side hustle for anyone who doesn't want to do much and who wants to make money with stuff around you. And as you can see, you can really find any type of items. You can find hiking boots, you can find snowboarding boots, you can find drones, bikes, scooters, kitchen items. Like you can find TV screens even. I'm pretty sure you can. But think about something that you have around. Rent it out, make some money, just profit of whatever you have around you. If you want to make some extra income but you don't know what to do, this would be a good start. See, TV screens, I told you, they have everything, seriously. So that's in Ottawa, obviously, but they do have TV screens. So yeah, just have a look at the website and let me know, comment below, let me know if you have tried or if you like the idea, if that's something you would like to do, or as a renter or as the person renting out your items. Let me know if that's something you would like to do. I'd be interested in knowing that. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.